Oh. What's the best $350 you've ever spent?
Private toilet. Without question.
At lunch today at Lava Tower.
Are you going to talk about long ago?
Long drop. Well, I don't know how to explain it, except when I was asked the company, is it worth it to get the private toilet? The woman said to me, yes, because the only other toilets are long drop toilets and they're not very pleasant. Well, I assumed the long drop was between, like, the top of the toilet.
Right.
And where it hit.
Like how far they dug the hole.
How far they dug the hole.
Which why that
and I could understand
matter.
that would not be very pleasant, because what if, you know.
Oh no, it's you with my hands or all this poop.
But the long drop is actually between
Your
ass and the hole that has been cut in the bottom of the outhouse. Do you understand what I'm saying? There's nothing there. There's a hole.
There's a hole in my house.
Dear Margaret, dear Margaret. It was the most unpleasant. It was for her to say that it's not very pleasant.
It's like saying that the Titanic had a small problem. Right?
Like the Titanic was not very seaworthy.
Exactly.
Had a small leak.
Yeah, had a small leak.
It's bad.